bottle, tote, handkerchief. Kyoto essentials.
Here is the guide for sorting the trash.
And yes, trash sorting is serious here.
Sustainable is also.
We're starting early to avoid the rush.
One refill times one less bottle. Handkerchief beats paper every time.
See more, consume less. Local. Money stays in the community.
Just ask. No plastic, please.
Leave wildlife alone. Just watch.
Share the path. Kyoto pace.
Carry your trash. Bins are rare.
Look, don't intrude.
Stay on the path. Protect the roots.
Silent mode is sustainable.
Next, the hardest tip. Shopping.
Maximum respect. Play.
Day 2. Better choices. Smaller footprint.
Learn the basics. Then, be invisible.
Don't turn path into photo studios.
It is a resource. Protect it.
No bins, no excuse.
Day trip tip. Train beats taxis. Uji, matcha paradise, done gently.
Ever.
Photos. Leave footprints light. Clean travel tip. Reuse towels. Skip daily laundry.
Follow the rules. No drama.
Seasonal. Kyoto's best hack.
Slow meals weight less.
すみません、量は少なめでお願いします。
はい、お指しいたしました。
Start small, you can always add.
ごちそうさま。
Best compliment. Empty plates.
Night rule. Keep it low volume.
Heritage sites. Look, don't touch.
Rules protect history. Moments.
Final tip. Save energy where you stay.
Sustainable tip. Resist impulse buys.
One piece you'll keep for years.
Simple local meals equals lower footprint. Handkerchief, again, most useful item. Go at off-peak hours. Everyone wins.
Container, game changer.
Kyoto rewards attention.
Thank you very much. We had a wonderful stay.
We are honored. Please come again.
Respect people. This is their home.
Pack lighter next trip, promise. Who taught me? Travel lighter, feel fuller. Less crowd. More meaning.
Not buying can be the best decision.
Support can be free. Leave a kind review.
Sustainable too. Slow down.
Are the greenest.
Edible, eat places. Deepen the story.
5 minutes of cleanup changes everything.
Do it right. Finish the job.
Gratitude costs nothing.
Leave with less. Return with more.
Travel like a guest, not an invader.